The ILM12 laser module is the optimal tool for positioning in all areas of industry and trade. It is inherently IP54 classified, meaning it is protected against dust and spray water. A crosshair laser has as a pattern-generating element a so-called DOE at the very front of the laser. This DOE is a plastic plate on which even minor dirt or scratches will cause the crosshair to no longer be imaged optimally. A screw-on cover helps protect the optics. This cover, which is called IP67 add-on in our datasheet, is a metal ring with an M12 female thread with a glass window. This glass window protects the sensitivity optics of the ILM12 laser module from dirt and scratches. When the laser is completely assembled, this cover is screwed over the front end to finish it off. Dirt can be easily wiped off the glass. Should serious scratches appear, we simply replace the cover instead of the entire laser. This not only saves time, but also a lot of money. The name IP67 add-on comes from the fact that with the help of the cover, the module can also reach class IP67. To achieve this, the thread between the cover and the laser must be sealed once with silicone. Then the laser can also be submerged. However, do-it-yourselfers will not receive a diving guarantee from us. This is only given to those who order the laser module in the ILM12 IP version. With the ILM12 IP, however, it is important to note that it cannot be focused. It is necessary to commit to a fixed distance when ordering. In most cases, we recommend ordering the cover as an option and installing it yourself. We at Laser Components think that the ILM12 laser module is a very compact, robust, and easy to use laser module. For any questions and further information, please feel free to contact us at any time.